In this video, we're going to use Canvas Studio to close caption a video. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. All right, first things first, I want to go into my Canvas account, and I want to go into the studio inside of my library. That's the first thing we want to do. Next, I'm actually going to upload a file that I made in MP4 format. However, we could also upload any YouTube video. So if I select the create button and we do add media, we can browse for files or we can add a video. Let's do browse for files. Then I'm going to select the video that I want to upload and it will begin processing the video. Now in the back end, what's happening is it's going to attempt to apply its own closed captioning. And I have a video here that's 6 minutes and 52 seconds long. If I select it from my library, we can go over to the captions button and this English generated track was created all by itself. And if I wanted to make changes or review it, I would simply select the English track, and on the left side, we can determine the spelling. We can determine the different types of caption text. So in this example, Accessibility Guide channel, this is definitely a little messed up. We would instead make our edits in here, Accessibility Guide channel, and my name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. And then all I would have to do is go through the rest of this and make our changes. At the bottom, we have the ability to insert a new line, which will help us determine the line breaks that we want to have on the caption tracks. We also have an advanced search and replace feature built right into Canvas Studio. If I select my settings button, we also have the ability to turn on auto captioning and enable auto publish for automatic captions. Let's go back to my library, and our other video is still processing. Let's see if we can give this a different name. What about details? Oh, here we go, edit details. This is where we can adjust our title. So if you go into the media itself, instead of clicking on captions, we would go to details and you can upload, you can change the title of the video here. And you can put it in a description and select save. And there we go. Then we do my library. And now this content can be inserted wherever you want. You could place it any of your Canvas pages or modules. You could share it to people in your class. You can create a public link. You can even replace the thumbnails. It's pretty cool what we can do. Now, this is just one example to close caption a file using Canvas Studio. If we go over to captions, you also can upload your own captions. So if you use another tool like Otter AI, or maybe you upload it to YouTube first, you can download the captions from there and then upload them directly into Canvas Studio. This is a super quick workflow for making sure that all of your Canvas videos are properly captioned. And if you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.